This engineered floor had watermarks and a lot of wear, and the old coating was starting to turn orange and fade, and it was very worn down. So the first job was to take the belt sander to get the old coating off. As you can see, we were de-orangising it, and the nice old wood was popping through onto the edger. So we're cutting in on the edge to blend it in and level off the edge work so that it's all nice and clean and level, ready for the coating. So here we go. So I'd already primed it, and we're using an Arboritec Classic Plus, which is this 1K ceramic lacquer to give it durability. This property, as you can see with the little cat flap, had pets, and I just wanted to give it the longevity that it deserves. It was a big open plan space, so as you can see, I've taped up little areas just to keep me right when it comes to finishing, because it was a bit of a funny layout, so to speak. But yeah, this coat went down really well, and there was 3 coats in total to give it that durability. Here's the finished look. Really nice sheen to it, all nice and level, and yeah, durable for the foreseeable future. Customer was really happy, thoroughly enjoyed doing the work for them, and yeah, I'd be grateful if you could like and subscribe to my channel.